Hello guys, Arnav here. Welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I'm going to be doing something else besides the Iron Man Mark 43 transforming gauntlet build. And today guys, I'm going to be building another gauntlet. Yeah, another gauntlet made of a different material. In fact, a similar material, but it's going to be made of stuff. So today guys, I'm building this Marvel Studios the Infinity Saga Nano Gauntlet. So this is a Lego Marvel set, 18 plus set 7. Yeah, 18 plus set of Lego Marvel. Set numbers 76223, 675 pieces. Okay, here's the side information. So here's the back, showing the palm of the gauntlet, as well as the dimensions and the actual photos of the reel. So this is part 1, and this part I'm just going to be doing the unboxing, and then in part 2 I'm going to be starting the build right away. So yes. So I'm going to be positioning my iPad like this. Okay guys, so no further ado, let's get this thing opened. So yeah, this is the full size of the box, if you wanna know, because why not. So this Lego is actually now from Amazon, and it came out from shipping amazingly. No dents, damages, it's just a nice solid clean box, which gives me the amazing greeting of this Lego. So yeah, let's open this up. Yes, you can see on the side, that's my 3D printer covered. So let's open it. Yes, this is 31 centimeters, 12 inches in height, because it's on a stand, so it's height wise. So yeah, let's open it. Oh, I've been waiting for this day. Got some bags. Nothing inside the box, so yeah. Okay, so we get in total is bag 3. On this piece came out. Bag 2, bag 1, bag 2, bag 3. And then And then here we have our amazing instruction manual. So we have in total 3 numbered bags as well as our instruction manual. So yeah. Okay. So it's the amazing posh, it's a little bit thick instruction manual, a little bit thick. It's more of the modern type instructions, because this is an adult set. Okay, so you're greeted with the information the gauntlet. So, keep the gauntlet. The gauntlet is also only chance getting out. Predictions might just give the Avengers a shot, bringing back half the universe. Okay, what is Mr. Automation? What's the bill? Okay, the bill, find out all right. Because the question is, who's Mr. Okay. So it's a right-handed. So it's right-handed as a Lego. Okay. As a Lego Infinity Gauntlet, which is the gold one with stand-up. So just a little bit information about it. Okay. So yeah, so we start with bag 1. Okay, so yeah, this many pages. So let's see how many there are. So there is in total 35 pages. So here's the final product, feedback and win as usual. Here. Okay, so here's the back of the instruction manual. So like all other Lego instruction manuals, it will always show the beautiful massive part list, so that if you lose a part, then at least you can search it via the list. It gives you the number, just type it in and you can get your part. So yeah, so enough further ado, let's get started in part 2.